Hey everyone, it's your girl Rico and I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be doing a quick get ready with me video and you guessed it, it's Barbie Edition. First, I like to start with the Black Girl Sunscreen in SPF 30. I absolutely love this sunscreen so much and I've been using it for the past 2 years. There's no flashback and it's great for your skin. Next, I like to go in with the Milk Makeup Mini Pore Eclipse Mattifying Blurring Makeup Primer. I found this at Sephora and man am I happy about this. It's great for people with combination oily skin. And I like to apply it to my T-zone. Next, I'm going in with the Liquid Camouflage Catrice Cosmetics High Coverage Concealer in Caramel Beige. I really like this because it's waterproof and it helps with creasing underneath the eye. So I like to go with this first before applying the next concealer that I have. I start by working it into my T-zone and underneath my eyelids in circular motions. Next is the Colé Skin Enhancing Concealer in Medium 1.5. I love how this highlights underneath the eye. It just gives you a nice glow and it's very lightweight, so you can use this if you really want a light makeup look as well. That's why I really like it. I'm going to be applying the Colé Skin Enhancing Tint, which is almost like a foundation. I have it in a medium 1 and I really like it because it's so lightweight and it doesn't feel like foundation at all, but it has great coverage. And I just like to work it in from the center and on the way out with my flat brush, and it just adds a nice glow to your skin. Next, I'm going to go in with the DIOR Forever Matte Foundation in 4.5 Neutral. Again, only apply a small amount with mattifying foundation. You don't need too much. It goes a long way. It's eyebrow time. I'm using the MAC Brow Pencil in Deep Brunette. I've been using this pencil literally for like the last 10 years and I am loyal. I love this pencil so much and it's so natural looking, as you can see. I just go in and fill in my natural brow where I feel like it needs a little bit more color and then you're done. It's so great. I really like it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in 370 just to clean those brows up a bit. This is my favorite part and it is literally so satisfying to clean up brows for some reason. I don't know if it's just me, but I love this part of makeup. Brows really can define your face so well and you don't have to do much to do it. Next, I'm going to add some definition to my face by using the Too Faced Medium Deep Matte Bronzer and the Natural Face Highlight Blush and Bronzer Veil Palette. I really like Too Faced products because it smells like chocolate. It smells so good. But no, I really like it. I go in with a light pink. I just want to add a little color there, but not be too overpowering in my opinion. Alright, let's get into the eyes, okay? I'm going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. I really like Urban Decay primers. Very smooth, very great for your eyelid, and great way to start some color. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette in Live With Love just to do a little pink and to set my foundation for this makeup and this eyeshadow. I also love the Culture palette from Juvia's Place as well. Really, really bold colors, and I'm just blending some of that purple with the pink just to get a nice base and add some definition to my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with a soft brush just to blend all of those colors together. You really want it to melt, right? You want it to look like it's a well blended scheme of colors together. I think that's the biggest thing with eyeshadow is blending. Now it's time to do a soft cut crease using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Self-Setting Concealer. I like to blink for people with hooded eyelids like me. It really helps to define where your line should be, so that's something I really recommend if you're trying to do a cut crease for the first time. I just blended in the edges just so you can see that gradual color come in. I really love the way this looks and how smooth it is. It almost looks airbrushed to me. A tip with cut creases is to not over blend the primer or concealer that you're using because you still want that line to show at the end of your makeup look, and that's something I'm still working on. Next, let's get into some eyeliner. I like the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner with the micro tip in Intense Black. It's very easy to use, it's smooth, it's dark, and you kind of just rest your hand on your cheek to kind of guide your hand while you're drawing that line. Next, I'm applying the Makeup Forever Starlit Diamond Powder. It's not my favorite because I think I prefer chunky glitter pieces, but it's okay if you just want a little shimmer and shine. I prefer to use the ColourPop Body Glitter. Now I'm going to set my makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I really like it and it keeps my makeup in place. I then follow up with the Catrice Cosmetics Mattifying Powder. I love it for my T-zone and it helps to really take out that shine and really focus on the detail and smoothness of your makeup. Now you know I had to come in with the lashes. Do not sleep on Juvia's Place Nubian lashes in Zaria. I really like these. These are like an amazing glam starter look for those who are just trying to not go too big. This is more of a medium length in my opinion, but it still gives you that dramatic effect and I really like the way this brings the look together. Last but not least is the lips. I'm going in with the MAC Lip Pencil in Currant. I really like this color and it helps to really blend in the bold colors that you use on your lip and provide definition in my opinion. And then I go in with the MAC lipstick in Candy Yum Yum. I really love this color and it's so bold and of course very fitting for Barbie. So of course I'm going to use this to complete my look. I really like it. And now we have the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. And now I'm just gonna razzle dazzle you with my outfit. Of course, I'm feeling myself definitely in a Barbie mood. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you want to see more.